Hey guys, this is UBR Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for the gas pedals for a P320 and a P365. Before we get started, I'd like to ask everybody to please subscribe. Every subscriber helps the channel grow. So what is a gas pedal and what's it used for? So the gas pedal is this part right here. It replaces your stock takedown lever. So the gas pedal is supposed to give you a place to place your thumb to help mitigate recoil. They say that the more surface area that your support hand comes into contact with the pistol grip, the easier it is for you to control the pistol and mitigate some of the recoil. Naturally, without the gas pedal, I normally place my support thumb on the takedown bar anyway. So all of this makes sense to me, and that's why I was really interested in trying these gas pedals out. So let's talk about the P320 gas pedal first. The one I have here is the most recent model, and it's called the QPQ11 model. It's made out of 1144 steel, and it has a nice grippy texture to it. The install process is really simple. If you know how to field strip your P320 and remove the FCU, then you can do this install. So when I was first trying to test out this gas pedal for the P320, I thought I had to push really hard on the gas pedal. And so I was pushing really hard. I was trying to mitigate all the recoil. My thumb kept slipping off and my shots were getting pushed to the right. So I think what was happening was because I was pushing so hard on the gas pedal that I wasn't just pushing downward, I was pushing down and also to the right, I think. So when I was pushing towards the slide, I think it was pushing the gun to the right, and that's why my shots were going to the right. So I was a little frustrated at first, and then I stepped back and I was like, all right, well, let me try something else. So what I tried next was I just tried to place my thumb on the gas pedal just like I did on the takedown lever. Because when I just had the normal takedown lever, I would just relax and put my thumb and like just rested on the takedown lever. I wasn't pushing real hard on the takedown lever because there really wasn't much to push hard on. So I just figured, all right, I'm gonna just place my thumb on the gas pedal, just leave it there, like almost just placing it there, but not putting a lot of pressure on the gas pedal. After I did that, my shots were back to normal and I noticed quicker follow-up shots. As a side note and an added bonus, the gas pedal also makes it a little bit easier to rotate the takedown bar, so this way you could field strip. I think it's because there's more material here and there's more to grab onto. As far as the downsides, the only things I can think of is that there might be a learning curve to get used to the gas pedal to see what works best for you, but it's worth it in the end. You'll also need to modify your holster. It doesn't seem like it would be too hard to do. I've seen some videos online and it just seems like all you have to do is just heat up the holster with a hairdryer and just put the gun into the holster. It'll mold to the gas pedal. So it doesn't seem like it's that hard to do. So this will only affect anybody that does a press check like I normally do, which is grabbing the slide with your knuckle like this and then your thumb on this side and then you pull back. If you do that, my knuckle hits this part of the gas pedal. Not a huge deal. I can grab it like around here instead of over here and just pull back and I can see that there's nothing in the chamber. So not a big deal. I just have to readjust for this pistol. All that being said, if you have a P320, I 100% would recommend spending the money to get one of these gas pedals and trying it out. I really enjoy this gas pedal. So now let's talk about the P365 gas pedal. So this model is made out of some type of plastic material. It does feel strong and well built. The texture on this gas pedal is a lot rougher than the P320 one. I mean, it's very rough. I think it might be because these lines are thinner and maybe sharper. It's my guess. Also, I wish the install method was a little bit different. Me saying that, I'm not saying it's hard to put this on because all it is these two pieces and you put the two screws in there and you're done. It's easy enough. I wish it was one piece and like it slid on and then maybe there was like a lever that you could just turn and it locks it into place. That to me would be better. So this way you could take it on and off really fast. The other thing I want to mention, you could see that one of the little nuts is missing, and that's because I didn't put any red Loctite. Now the reason why I didn't put the red Loctite on there is because I didn't want to put this on there and keep it on there. I wanted to be able to test it out and take it off, so this way I could put this in my holster because this is my EDC. So that's the reason why I didn't put the red Loctite. Also, something to note, even though I only had the one nut for this screw, I shot it today and it did not come off. Matter of fact, it's still rock solid. Even though it's missing that one nut, it's still on there and it's not moving at all. So with the P365, I can't rest my support thumb on the takedown bar. And the reason why is because when I grip it like this, you could see my thumb is nowhere near that. It's not over here, it's over here. So before I got the gas pedal, I was placing my thumb in this little groove area like that. And that's how I normally would shoot my P365. So when I saw that they made a gas pedal for the P365, I was really excited. When I first started testing this gas pedal, I was doing what I first did on the P320, which was I was trying to mitigate all the recoil I could by pushing really hard on the gas pedal with my support thumb, and I was throwing my shots to the right. Also, my thumb was sliding off of the gas pedal every single time. So then I tried to do the same thing I did with the P320, place my thumb on her and just rest it there. I wasn't trying to put a lot of pressure on the gas pedal, and it was better, but my shots were still getting thrown to the right. If you have one of these gas pedals for the P365 and you're not having this issue, if you could do me a favor, please put it in the comments to let me know what you're doing differently, and then that way I can give it a shot. But no matter what I did, the shots always went to the right. I think it comes down to that the P365 is snappier than the P320. That would be my guess. Also, because my thumb was slipping off of the gas pedal every single shot, and the texture of this gas pedal is a lot rougher, my thumb was brush burn and raw after a box or so of ammo. Just like the gas pedal for the P320, if you're going to try to do a press check, if you do it the same way I do it, you put your finger like this and your thumb over here, there's really not a way to really do it without having your knuckle hit this gas pedal. If I was having a great experience with this gas pedal, that wouldn't be that big of a deal, but I figured I'd mention it as well. The last thing to note is I don't think you could modify your holster enough to accommodate this gas pedal. And the reason why is because there's a lot more material here than there is for this gas pedal here. You see it's like this big piece right here that you would have to modify. So for instance, I have a Harry's holster here, and when you put this in here like this, you can see there's a lot of material that you would have to alter in this holster to make that work. Also, I have a Tenacore here, and same thing for this Tenacore. If you try to put that in there, you could see you have to alter a lot. It's too much to alter. So I honestly don't think you could modify your existing holster to work with this gas pedal. I guess depending on how popular these things get, then some manufacturers might make a holster that is compatible with this gas pedal. If you have one of these gas pedals for the P365 and you were able to modify your holster, please put it in the comments so this way people know that it's possible to do it. So to wrap things up here, in the end, I would say that the gas pedal for the P320 is a great buy, and the gas pedal for the P365 for me is a pass. If anything changes, I will definitely make another video to give you guys an update. If you're interested in picking up either one of these gas pedals, I added a link to GoGuns website in the description below. If you thought the video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'll answer your question as soon as I can. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Every subscriber helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.